about to hurt so bad. Like, it feels worse than the black charcoal mask. Like, oh, do you hear that? Do you hear this? Oh my god. Hair is on this. Hair. Never had no mask that takes my hair. When we get down here, I might have to like do it off camera because it hurts. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, look at my eye. You can see how hard it is, like pulling on my skin. Didn't put it on my mole because it will take your mole off. This will take your mole off. That's how strong it is. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna peel. This is like the sensitive area. I'll be back until we get down here. Oh my god, it hurts. Like, you can hear it. Oh my god. Like, I don't shave my face. My makeup application is fine. The hair on my face, like on the side, my sideburns, like my face is getting red too. Oh my gosh. Cause it hurts so bad. Yeah, I'll be back. So you can probably see my skin is like a little bit red.